Hello everyone, thanks for joining me again. My name is Kathy and I'm glad you're here. I wanted to do a hair stick tutorial today. So I have a few of my Little Rose hair sticks that I like to use. But first I want to show you, because I am wearing the Swerve today. I showed you on another tutorial. I wanted to show you how my hair looks after it's been dried, after having the Swerve in. Now, can you see the difference in my usual hair volume? And look at the curls. I'm going to turn around so you can see it. I move forward. So, see that? So for you girls like myself who do not have a lot of volume to your hair, one of these babies is the ticket. All right, you can get those on the website. They have the beaded ones for $19 retail. Can you see how the light is catching off of that? These are just so beautiful. They also have just plain ones with no beading. I think they're $12 at the moment on the website. So if you are interested in getting some of these nice waves, check it out. Not only that, they're a great hair accessory for summer to keep your hair up off your neck. All right, so I also want to show you how to do a hair stick. It's easier for me without my glasses on, but then I won't be able to see you. So I'll keep them on. Okay, so I'm going to just twist like this. Keep twisting. Am I in the camera? Can you see me? So I just tuck the ends in and just fan it out a little bit. And then I'm going to take this blue one. I want to make sure I'm standing in the place where you can see. Okay. So take your stick, grab the edge, and point it up. That's step one. Step two is touch your scalp. Grab some hair at your scalp, and I usually will weave it through my scalp, and then come through the other side. And that should be it. So that's my hair stick tutorial. I'm always missing on camera. I always miss that one little piece of hair. But there it is. Okay, what do you think? So that's one. Some people will do two. So if I take this on the other side, you just catch the other edge and just do the opposite. Just come down. And then you've got the two. And they have matching. There are matching sticks. I need to catch, okay. Matching sticks if you want to match, or you can do different ones. Like there's another one of those. Another one. These are kind of cool. I'll show you that one too. I'll just leave my hair already twisted, so you know. Again, we're going to go up, just catching the edge of the bun, touch your scalp, and then just come back through. So, am I in the right place for you to see? I think so. So that's it. All right, thank you for joining me. And just so you know, the website is below at www.lilrose.biz/angel hair. And that's where you can buy all of these hair accessories. I will continue to do tutorials to show you how to use them. So subscribe to my channel. This is a new thing for me. I'd love to have you subscribe, and also click on that bell notification thingy so that you get all of my latest updates and hair tutorials. All right, thanks again for joining me, and see ya. I'm glad you're here. Bye.